Hello, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step process to convert a Word document file to a PDF in Microsoft Office. So to convert a Word document to a PDF file, you need to install Office on your machine. So on my desktop, I have a document that I want to convert to a PDF file. This is my document that I want to convert to a PDF file. So to convert it, you need to install Office on your machine. Then you click on File. Then you click on Export to begin to convert the document to a PDF file. Then you click on Create a PDF file. Then you give a name to the PDF file, the document that you want to convert to a PDF file. Then after that, you click on Publish to convert the Word document file to a PDF. After conversion, you can open the Word document in a PDF form. This is the document that I converted to a PDF file. Then I open it. Now the Word document has turned to a PDF file. So you can convert Office or a Word document file to a PDF. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to this channel to receive an update by clicking the bell icon. Thank you.